Hey guys, welcome to Login Hubs. Today I'll be showing you how to save reels on your Instagram. And now let's dive right in. Now to save reels on your Instagram account, first open up the Instagram app on your phone like this. And now from over here, head to Reels section of the Instagram. To do that, tap on the Reels button at the bottom right corner of your screen, just beside the plus icon, and let's tap there. And over here guys, you will see a lot of reels by many people on your Instagram account. Now, in order to save the reel, at the bottom right corner of the screen, again just above the content creators picture ID, you can see at the bottom right corner there is the three dotted icon available. First tap on that three dotted icon like this first, and guys you can see over here there is the save option available for us. Tap on save and it will be saved on your Instagram account. You can see it's already on the saved, and let's close it. And now guys, this is how you save your Instagram reels. You can do it with every other reel on Instagram. You can see over here guys. And guys, this is how you save your Instagram reels on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.